You have so many different chargers for your phones, iPhone and Android, tablet, and more Type-C devices coming up. But you can't throw away all of your old micro USB devices. How many types of cables do you need for all of your devices? Murphy's Law reminded us that you probably wouldn't have the right cable in time of emergency. The power source is there, but you just didn't bring your cable. Introducing KableCARD. KableCARD is a revolutionary design that integrates all the essential and most frequently used cables connectors. What's more, KableCARD is even designed with a wireless charger. We designed KableCARD to be as small and light as a credit card. Everyone has to dig around their bag looking for the right cables among other cables and objects lying around in the depth of the bag. But not you. KableCARD includes a SIM ejector pin and 2 nano SIM card storages. Looks simple, yet makes a big difference when traveling overseas. Need to send files, but no internet and no thumb drive for Type-C? No worries. KableCARD has an inbuilt memory reader that supports both standard USB and Type-C. It takes 1 second to set up KableCARD as a Cradle. What makes it even more awesome is that you can watch movies on your phone hands-free while charging it at the same time. AOA reported that one major cause of vision deterioration is staring at phone screen in poor lighting, creating effective ambient lighting to protect your eyes. This is KableCARD, the all-in-one cable solution you have been looking for.